Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on your iPhone, your iOS, or your iPad. What we're going to be getting here today is this app called iRecovery. I'm going to show you guys how to get this. You're not going to need a computer. You're not going to need iCloud. It's going to be completely for free. And then what you can simply do is press recover. This is then going to go ahead and load basically this little app here, iRecovery. And then it's basically going to restore the photos and videos. Give it some time. And then as you guys can see, press restore. Okay, it's found the photos and videos. It's going to do this loading bar thing. This is all normal. And what we're going to do is show you guys how to get it here today. It is free. And then once you've got that, this is going to then restore the photos and videos. Now, remember, if you've just deleted a photo or video, it's going to be in recently deleted. Every iPhone and Android has that. Recently deleted keeps up for 30 days. If it's past 30 days, you're going to need this. As you guys can see, restoration complete, and now we're done. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to get this iRecovery app so you can do this as well and recover your permanently deleted photos and videos. So come over here to Safari. What you're going to do is visit this website here called pluginveil.com. So type www.plugin and then veil, V-A-L-E.com. Pluginveil.com. Now, once you guys are here, you're going to be on the Plugin Veil website. You're just going to keep searching down, okay, till you find iRecovery. There it is there, okay? And you're just basically going to look like this. You're just going to press on the download button, okay? What this is going to do is basically download the iRecovery section right here and install it to your device. It only takes like a couple seconds. As you guys can see, it's loading right now. Now, in order to get it installed, because we're not using a computer and we're not side loading, it is going to require some additional plugin files. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So just stay for a sec. As you guys can see, it's going to say 2 additional plugin files need to be installed for your plugin to sideload. So what you need to do is complete 2 of these. These are completely for free and it's working right now. I've actually completed one of them, but I'll go ahead and show you what you do. So essentially what it is here, it says go, you press on the button, okay? And then it's going to take you to this little page. It's going to say search below, you type in that word, find it, and then you install it and open it, and that's going to count as 1. And you have to do this twice in order to do this. But don't worry, I'm going to do this within 5 minutes and show you just how easy this is. Like I said, it's super easy. Just got to remember what the word was for yourself. Okay, then we find it. Okay, we press on the get button. Awesome, there it is there. Okay, and now it's installed. And then you go ahead and open it up, and that's going to count as one of them. Now remember, you have to do this twice, so go choose the second one, so you can do this DK one. You might have different ones to me, and that's fine. You might have different keywords, whatever it is, make sure you type it in. It's easy. Okay, so this one would say that. You'd find it there. You'd get it. Same process, guys. Complete it. You need to do 2 in order for this to work. You then open it up, okay? And then you should be all good. Okay, so once you've completed that, all you have to do now is simply go ahead and then open up to the iRecovery app, or it should be installed, open it up, and then press recover, and you restore your photos and videos. It is that easy. It's completely for free. If you need any help, drop a comment below and give this video a like if it does work for you. Hope you guys enjoy. It's that easy to get this working. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.